This is 40 days of an Andean cock-of-the-rock chick's growth and development. The incredible journey of one of the most spectacular birds of South America, growing from a fragile hatchling into a vibrant young bird inside a carefully protected zoo aviary. Welcome to the tropical zoo aviary. Inside a lush, rainforest-style zoo aviary filled with tall trees, rocky ledges, moss-covered branches and gentle waterfalls, lives one of the most extraordinary birds in the world, the Andean cock-of-the-rock. Day 0, the hatchling. Deep inside a cup-shaped nest attached to a rocky wall, a tiny chick hatches. At birth, the chick is extremely delicate. Pink skin, no feathers. Eyes closed, completely dependent on the mother. Day 3, first movements. The chick begins making faint begging sounds.
Treat for you. Beep, beep. Keep still, little one. The guests are watching.
Day 20, growing curiosity. The young chick becomes more curious about its surroundings. Inside the nest it begins. Day 25, mini cock of the rock. The chick now begins to resemble a young cock of the rock. Visible features. Day 30.
Days old, the chick
First
makes its
look
first
outside.
tentative steps towards the edge.
The chick moves
observing
closer to
vast
the edge of the
aviary
nest.
beyond the safety
For
of
the
nest.
first time, it observes the zoo aviary. Day 35. First exploration. The chick leaves the nest briefly. Activities include Day 40. Young cock of the rock. After 40 days, the transformation is remarkable. The young bird can now
Here in the lush environment of the aviary, the young chick practices the vital skill of flight under the watchful eye of its mother.